Hello fellow techies, how you doing today? I am here to install Git with you. So if you are someone that you've been struggling to install Git for a bit, so it's time to grab your laptop and let's install it together. You cannot escape Git because you need it for version control. So if you are a coder, if you are a programmer, an engineer, and you've been learning for a while, it's time for you to get your codes out there and be able to monitor any changes on it. So let's get started. The first step is for us to go to our Google, our browser, and get to search for Git. So Git download, just there. So we'll pick the first one. Immediately you see the git-scm.com, that's the one that you click on. So this laptop is Mac OS, so it's the one I'm using for now, and probably will run through another session for downloading for Windows. But the truth is there's really nothing much, especially if we are going to be downloading and using the installer. So I think it's the same process for both, but we are focusing on Mac for this one. So if you're on this page with me, you're going to notice the Mac OS, the Windows, the Linux. We just click on download for Mac. So on this page, downloading for Mac, I'm sure you would have seen so many videos where they are talking about homebrews. Some of them they use Macpots. I actually like the one for Xcode really, but I'm not using this system for DevOps, so I wouldn't be installing the one for Xcode. So homebrew is actually prescribed or recommended for Mac, but the easiest one for everybody is using the binary installer. So let's use the binary installer to install this one so that it can be easy for you, accessible, no stress, no headache. So you just click on the installer right here. You don't have to accept anything. I do not accept. So it will bring you to this page where you will see the download button. Yes, click on the download button. It's downloading now. It's very fast, unlike if you are downloading Xcode that will be like maybe 9 to 10 gig, that will take longer, but this one is very, very fast. So, and it's done. Download complete. So we'll take you there in a few moments, no problem. So we are here and we have downloaded our Git. So what we are going to do now is to go to our download folder on the system. So here my downloads. So that folder that we downloaded the file with the DMG, you would double click on it, then you double click on this as well. Yes, it will tell you that you cannot open this because it's not from an identified developer. No problem, we just say okay. So after saying the okay, we can go to our system setting, check the privacy and security aspect, then let's go to the privacy and security area. So when you're there, it's very, very obvious. Allow application downloaded from this. So it's saying that Git is here, but we don't trust this Git. So we can say open anyways. Use my password. I can actually use my fingerprint. So then I'll open. So when I open it, I'm about to install it. So we'll just continue. Install. We'll put in our password and install again. So just give it a bit of time. It doesn't take long, so the installation will happen. All done. That's very fast, isn't it? So it's all done. So the installation was successful. Then we close. So do you want to move the Git this one to the bin, no problem. We can move the installer to the bin, no problem. So how do we know that we have our Git on this laptop? Let's close this one. So how we can know is by going to our terminal. Terminal is right here. So when we are there, yeah, that is me. We'll just put Git and we'll check, and voila, our Git has been installed. So what can we do with this Git here now, so that at least we can do a little bit of configuration? So number one, we can actually assign a username and the email address for this Git, so that anything we do on our maybe VS Code or anything, when it's reflecting on our GitHub platform, it will be the username that we configured right now and the email that will be showing that as the user, to identify who is making that change, who is uploading files, who is, adjusting or editing projects. So we can do that right now. I'll just do git config global username, user.name actually. Then I can do TechiesReign and put and that's done. And for me to put my email, the user's email, so I'll just put git config --global user.email, and I'll put the email address. Ensure that your email is correct, so that you won't have to go through the hustle of editing it. And that's done. So let's do git status. So everything is good. So we don't have a repository yet. We'll have to connect this by initializing Git init, but I'm not going to go into detail now because we have to go to GitHub, to be able to start a repository and then connect it to our Git. So there you go, you have been able to successfully install your Git. So if you are also interested in connecting, just stay tuned and we'll continue in the next video. So techies, see you guys later in another video. So guys, make sure you like, subscribe and follow this page, and I'll see you in another video.